I know there have been some awards that OAHS has won in the past few years, and some stellar ratings too that you have received. Let's talk a little bit about those.
Yeah, and I'll maybe take a step back and talk about we're in our second year, completing our second year of our Service Excellence Initiative. So kind of when I was stepping into the CEO role, actually Liz Sorensen, our clinic director, had attended a series of education conferences where she won a drawing for Custom Learning Systems, which is a firm that's for 30 plus years have engaged with healthcare organizations to make, to improve patient scores, patient experience, quality of care, that sort of thing. And that really resonated with me as a provider because I always was acutely aware of that a patient could come and see me and I could provide the best care. And that was always my goal, is to provide the best care, treat them like a family member. But if that patient came in to the facility, and what's the first thing you look at? Is it clean? If it was dirty, if it's not well kept, if that interaction with the receptionist or the nurse, or if I sent them to the lab or the x-ray department and there was an off interaction with that patient, even I provided the best care possible, that patient would walk away and go, that's just kind of an average experience.
Right.
And that's not what we're about. And as I mentioned before, we're always looking to improve, no matter how well we've done in the past, because we always want to look, have continuous improvement. And then, of course, we were coming out of COVID, which had a profound effect on our staff as well.
Yeah.
And it for a lot of us, it kind of just numbed us, and seeing that next patient or seeing that resident was just another task in my day before I could move on to the next, and then eventually go home. And so, kind of refocusing on our residents and our patients was important as well. And so we've done some things over the last few years to even do better as far as taking care of our residents and our patients, and that's resulted in some accolades, and really excited and very proud about that. So for 3 years in a row, we received the 5-star rating from the National Rural Rating System, which is an organization that rates hospitals, smaller hospitals like ours across the nation. Also this year, or actually for the last 2 years, our nursing home has received the U.S. News and World Report's Best Nursing Home list. And so we just were notified of this year's accolades for that.
That's impressive.
So yeah, that is very impressive. Our clinic this year is the first year that the National Rural Rating Systems did this, but our clinic received a 4-star award on that. And so very proud of that. And again, it's the great work that we've done in the past, but also that we're improving on and doing. And it's great for us to finally be recognized for the work that we're doing.
Yeah.
And so, and then talk about another award is the Chartis Awards, which is another organization that rate hospitals. And we made their list for patient experience as one of the best hospitals in the nation on that. So, so very proud of that as well. So, yeah, there's great things going on. And I know that we've had challenges in the past and we'll continue to have challenges in the future. But, taking care of our residents and patients is primary. And that's the reason why I think we'll always succeed.